Hey guys, so I'm going to pick up a package from Amazon. I think I know what it is, and I'm real excited. The way that I get packages here in this building is they text me, you have a parcel pending, and then they give me like a code for a locker. It's like that show, What Would You Do? Do you remember the show, What Would You Do? I think they had like, I don't know, there was some old Nickelodeon show with like a bunch of lockers at the end, and you like pick a number locker and something comes out of it, like it's either you get a prize or you get like bamboozled or something. So I'm gonna go down to my locker, I'm taking you with me, gonna go pick up the package that I got, and I'm gonna show you what it is. Aren't you excited? Because I am. We're at the parcel locker. They have these little like kiosk things. Whoa! The door just like magically popped open. That's where my package is. Come with me. I'm gonna show you the magic. The magic. Okay, so I got my package. I'm gonna go home and open it. And now the hard part is finding how to get home from here.
2 hours later.
We made it! Hey, monster. What's up? Oh, yay! We got gear! We got monster! We're ready to unbox some gear. Who's ready to unbox some gear? Yeah. Yes. Definitely, all of us. Box! Did I scare you? Scissors! But this is what I got. Funipica. I already like this product, and I'll tell you why. It feels like an iPhone box. It's like kind of sturdy, it's not flimsy, and it is shrink wrapped, which like you can't go wrong with shrink wrap. Now, what is this? What is this, Paige? It is a beauty LED flash light and lens. So not only does it give you a ring light for your phone, but it also provides a lens for when you're shooting in selfie mode. Now let me find my phone, aha, so that we can test this big bad boy out. We're gonna open it. Also, it's pink, which you can get it in any color, but I did pink. Now look, you slide off the cover right here. Again, sturdy little box this guy is in. Ooh, yeah. There's the lens right there. And it says right here, I don't think you can read it, but it says to record a more beautiful world with you. I think that's just like the sweetest little philosophy you could have. Now there's this like plastic film that comes off of it, protecting it, all right? Already, I think this is gonna be a really sweet piece of hardware to add to my kit. So I pull this guy out. Oh my God, I'm so excited. There's like so many cool things that come with it. All right, so first we got the hardware. Pull it out. Now, let's see. My hand is like relatively a normal size hand. If you haven't seen it before, this is my bag. This is like my travel camera kit bag for when I'm shooting stuff on my iPhone. And look how perfectly it fits in there. Oh, okay. Great, compact. Put it in your pocket, put it in your purse, put it in your backpack. See how it says lens right there? Also, I've been picking off my nail polish all day, so that's what my nails are about. So there's like a little lens cap, and look, it just comes off, just kind of like pops off like that, and that reveals the lens. Look how pretty that is. This was actually like a really good deal for what it is. Like already, I'm like, I got a bargain. On the back of the lens, there's a little clip there. You can clip it right on. And with the clip, I don't know if you can see it, but there is a little rubber part That'll keep it from slipping. You can adjust the angle like this. You can bend it out and in. So look what I just learned from looking at the directions. So you can unscrew this part of the lens and turn it from a wide angle lens to a macro lens. These are all the things that come in the box. This is for the charger. You just plug it into a normal wall USB charger thing and it will charge your light. There is the piece that will plug into a USB wall charger and charge your light. And then there is a little Funipica lens cleaner. This is great to have. Also great to have, it comes with a bag. I rarely see like dinky, bad quality equipment come with like such high quality accessories. So already I'm like, this thing's a good piece of gear right here. It also comes with another cap. I think this is probably for the back of the lens, but let's try it out. This button that says like, it's like the universal power button symbol. Just gonna press that. That's cool. Okay, so I got that, and then you can adjust the brightness, and this is literally just, I'm just touching it. There are no like buttons that are sticking out. I'm just touching it. I'm so fascinated by this little piece of equipment. It keeps going brighter and brighter, so you can do like, let's do medium brightness so that we don't blind anybody here. And then I'm gonna push the power button one more time. Ooh, that's a nice like mixed light. So we've got some of the cooler tones in there and then warmer tones. And I don't really know if you can see it on camera. It doesn't come off as well on camera, but maybe when I like shine it on my face, we'll test it on the phone and I'll show you how it goes. And then one more, and this is all warm tones. Cool tones, mixed tones, warm tones, and then you can adjust the brightness right here. That's awesome. I'm so into this light. And then push the power button and you just tap and hold and it turns back off. Time to test it out. As with most pieces of equipment or gear for your phone, you gotta take the case off. So just be careful, don't crack your phone like I have. And then, here we go, we're gonna clip it right on. Look how the pink goes with the rose gold of my iPhone. Like, what more could you ask for, right? Oh, God, it's just so pretty. Ignore the cracks. We're gonna take this and just stick it right there. So, oops. So the selfie camera is right in the middle of the lens. We're gonna turn on selfie mode. I'm gonna angle this down. Already, this is coming a little bit loose, which I think could turn out to be a problem. You just sort of have to adjust the dial on the side and it should be okay. I'm gonna turn on the video mode on my camera. All right, and now I'm recording video. Let's turn it up a little bit. Let's go over here. Ooh, so let's do it with the, let's go to cooler light. Now that matches the light that is coming from outside right now. And then this is the mixed. Ooh, mixed, cool and warm. And this is the warm light. So this is like nighttime. And then we're dimming it a little and making it brighter. So, what do you think? Can you see? Can you kind of see like the light? Now, the only thing with this is like, with most ring lights, you're looking right at the camera and the ring is right around the camera. So you get that really pretty, glowy, bright light circle in your eyeball. With this, it's like above your eyeball a little bit, like above the iris of your eye. I'm not like totally mad about it, actually. I think it's okay. So let's see the difference between when I turn it off, right? And I turn it on. Ooh, just adds like a little fun glow. Cool again, mixed, and warm. There you go. That is my Funipica, as we call it, my Funipica light and lens. Did you buy this? What do you think? So far, I'm having a lot of fun with it. I'm gonna start shooting some stuff on my phone with it. Ooh, let's try the lens. Let's take this off. Let's take the wide lens off. Finally show the lens cap. There you go, that's the lens cap, guys. Wow, This macro lens is so wild. What else? What else? Look, let's look at the box. Let's look at the box, you guys. Whoa, my gosh. Oh, look at that golden Chinese lettering. That is pretty. That's the stuff that like wedding invitations are made of, you know? Hello. I'm gonna turn the light off. So we tried both lenses. The only other question that I have is, I think this extra clip right here is for the lens. If you did not want to use the light, you can just take off, you can remove the lens just by twisting it, unscrewing it, and then you gently screw it onto this extra clip right there. Then if you wanted the wide angle, you just twist it onto there, and then you just have your own individual lens clip right there. Cover it with the lens cap to protect it, and you're good to go. This is the Funipica Beauty LED flashlight and lens. Comes with a charging cable, comes with an awesome bag with a micro and wide angle lens. We're gonna plop that right in here in the bag. Comes with the light right here, and attached to that is a clip. That goes right in there and fits perfectly. Comes with an extra clip in case you just want to use the lens feature. You can twist the lenses onto that clip, and comes with a lens cleaner. Lens cleaner, so that you don't have to, I think it's called microfiber cloth. While I'm here, you're looking a little dirty. That'll do. Put that right in the bag. Also, hold on to the instructions just for a little while in case you need to know something. And then, boop, we're good. Then we throw this in our kit. We've got a light and lens 2-in-1 for the future. I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure you comment below and let me know what you think of this product. If you have it, are you gonna buy it? And do you have something else that you would like me to review? I would love to. So leave a comment below. Also, if you liked this and you got some kind of value out of it, as always, make sure you give it a like. And if you want more videos like this and want to get informed when they come out, subscribe. That's all I got for you right now. Until I see you again, lights, camera, love. Bye, y'all.